Buying an aircraft? Congrats. But don't make this one rookie mistake. Don't forget to buy your aircraft insurance. I see this all the time. A pilot just bought an aircraft and they're at the airfield and they're ready to fly, but then they realize they forgot to buy aircraft insurance. Your amazing adventure does not need to be grounded. All you need to do is try the new Copa Aviators Canada insurance program. Over 80% of aircraft insurance applications can be quoted the same day, even as short as 60 minutes. Want a quick quote for aircraft insurance? Or maybe you're looking at budgeting aircraft insurance costs for a couple different airplanes you're looking at buying. All you need to do is just let us know. And remember, fly smart with the Canadian Owners and Pilots Association and Covalent Insurance Brokers. And take the skies with peace of mind.